What's up guys, how's everyone doing? Today we're doing nature cereal. Alright guys, I've been seeing this around for a good minute and I've been seeing it on TikTok and IG, so I definitely want to give it a shot. I love fruits and I love coconut water, so I know some recipes involve pomegranate seeds, but I don't have that. So for me, I got blueberries, where you guys can see it, blackberries, strawberries, and some grapes. I did the honors of cutting and cleaning them already. It's pretty late, but I wanted like a late night snack, and what's better than fruits, I guess, on the healthier side. So let's put in the ice. I'll put in the ice and I'll pour in the coconut milk or coconut water. I'm kind of excited about this. So growing up Vietnamese, a lot of our desserts involved coconut, fruit, and ice. So when I heard about nature cereal, I just kind of connected the dots, and I feel like it's just like an Asian dessert in one way or another, you know? I guess first hit of this. With the coconut base to tie all the fruit together, and you have the ice to make it more like an ice dessert. But this is really good. It does remind me of a couple of desserts I've tried before. I love coconut water. I love fruit, and I love iced desserts. So I knew I was gonna like this. And I'm slightly lactose, so this is probably the only cereal I can actually eat. Or at the same time, I like lactose-free milk. So coconut milk went down the wrong pipe. Oh. Yeah, this is really good. I'm so down for this. I almost feel like this is a very clever way of making everyone try an Asian dessert. Like, no joke. It's good. Legit. I had a feeling it's gonna be good, but I don't know how everything was gonna tie together. And the coconut milk complements all the different berry and grape flavors together. I'm actually really enjoying this. No joke. This is It's the healthiest late night snack I've ever had. Or the healthiest cereal I've ever had too. I'm enjoying this a lot more than I expected. That's for sure. I thought it was going to be weird some way or another, but no, it's really, really good. Maybe because my taste buds are so used to coconut and fruit already growing up, and like cold desserts. Definitely give it a shot. I love Slurpee. Hey guys, it's really, really good. Hi guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.